Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Ro kini gilong ki khubor bamda kasni. UMLE jonga shilong not ba Adelbert nongrom ulapan pau ya ka jingbam shimkya ka sarkar yikinong nya ka Z Rapido bait ha ka jilla. But umentri umpat smotho na kabenta ka jimpanya license badan kam na ka MDA bat ki officer jonga transport department. Unongrom ulas ngap syapang ke Menteri Transport bat Deputy Chief Minister Basnyau Balangdhar haga kamra jong u bat kishnong jong ka Z Bytes 24/7 ban penya jingkran syapang gani ke benta. Unongrom ulaong banadu arhajar arfulai ke company Z 24/7 kala pente bat pha shithi syakatnat katkum ke jingdan banyo license na kinong nya bait henrei kani kala lechua kum arsnem klempat rekam. Unongrom ulapan pau yaka Rule 3 Sub Rule 1A jongka Meghalaya Taxi Aggregators Operation Rules 2020 ka baong. Baom dan ka wipat nega company ka bala banyo permission banyo license banne taxi aggregation haga jilla haga wi ka bentana do ka licensing authority. Ulapan pau yaka jingken bar ka jingkala halor ka jingnya rapido haga jilla klempat don license. Kaba pensa bar ka department kapelong hiki samla bandu kam. Nongrom ulatip baka company Z 24/7 kalat ho shithi shaka transport department bad commissioner na do usnem arhajar arfulai hadu menta klemle AA ong uba Adelbert Nongrom. Menta usnem arhajar arpsang katnap kam IA berkam ai jingtho shaki Z Rapido. Kalong ga baklempat sngoto ba ka sarkar ba ka transport department ki yo ya kani ka klemdon license na do ka benta shwa kani kla pensa omdom yaki nongnya rapido ong unongrom.
Nakaliang chungi yung ba immediately sa tegop barka barki department concert halo kani issue tengar community ba ngani ka light of the day. Police pun fiki parlo press na wan bani kendo nakjing sukya kemersim hamtam habadi gani ka crisis of unemployment ti minister in charge sa singaw balang dahar ngoni kindu halo kani ka jing complain jong ka 24 kini ka jets 24/7 kini ki taxi bait penia yang niki business arshaka ti halo ti artli ki mat kawi kamat kadai ka license and on license ken mau ko banong ba ka jets 24/7 kamde ba kalong persya yak ti riders para riders ndre kilong persya kalong kawi company bar kawi company ka jingile ka dei kawi company bar kawi company mo namar ka jets 24/7 ka kalong kawi ka company ka ba aikam nam ta ki khon samla ti kawi ka dinam ta ki license on license kalong ba manta lai pulai tali ki lai pulai banai kamut la jan ar sinam steng ti kajing complain jong ka jets kalong very valid kawi namar ba ka license nakaliang jong ka jets kayo aus nam arjar arpulai layo ka license bagian yo ban operate ya kanika kajing kamai arsaka ti kajing kali menta pa kalong ba kini ki way pat ki ba penongkam illegal operators mo kita ki aggregators ki bamde ki aggregators ki nong ki belongkum ki aggregators ngite budi ki company mo ki ba wan sengkam ba thaukam kumlo ban yarap nam ta ki khon samla manlai da frustration manlai da ta ka jinglong kodlat jong ki khon samla ki kata di kuwi ki jingkali ko bangaru kum local mali kani ka 24 jets into 7 jets into 24/7 kadi ka ba establish apo consequence jonga tika madi ba ngadi local mali nga shuwan to bantuklar ki ringa sudai bantuklar namar ba kila ban ya nakawai ka por shui ka por kila ban ya nakawai ka por shui ka por through proper channel kila ban ai sithi sa minister badan burom singau balang dahar bari transport minister bari ru jo por deputy chief minister the kanika subject the issue concern over the illegal operations of unregistered aggregator within the state kanika dei how kharsau trik arja arpulai October kharsau trik arja arpulai the continuously kita follow up yang ni ka city complaint ke jongki to ki ai biang reminder syai minister deputy chief minister in charge of transport hak praterik bunai ban rio arjar afsa kaju hak bidi bani ban complain na ka banta ki illegal operator ti nang ta la ai city complain hak laitrik bunai ba spo arjar afsa show commissioner of transport kaju city na ka banta bala penken ni ka rules 3 of sub rules 1 of the Meghalaya taxi aggregator operational rules 2020 ti nang tu pat ki layak ban ujor biang show DTO jong East Castles district kabahdu menta claim take any action ti but la airu ka city complain show chief secretary former chief secretary haka ap sauterik ubna binyo arjar san ti bala airu ka city complain show commissioner secretary beri Sanjay Goyal ti hadu menta kini isu snap kalong ba kimlong respond kim shimla juba ya ka complain jong ni 24/7 kalong gumba on the mind yaki kan ni kila tristom kan ni dang le stom ulo banyara pa support the government namar nitip pamata ba komisyon at very present there is no more that we can give hope for our beloved youth regarding the government job mo hinum na asu man ai jingkan kalong saturated matang hab yang joki kja tenrei ke jingkali pa kalong ba boleh hidup matang isya illegally ban operate the kiwei part ki company yang num batai ngatrai government katip ba ke department katip ba but ngan approve ik action ke ba ke action ke ba gom ke department ke deban shim agen segini ki illegal operator markani kan kata pi ka wei kalong ba matang ikren ke on safe mo ka jibam singain matala rekiwan kini ki illegal operator na sabar ki company ngarwa dan handi kum local mali kawan ngalong ba ngawan ban put pressure di minister in charge ba dokam macam action immediate action need to be taken against those who are operate illegally pi ka wei kalong ba kata bar ka aru ka jingdu kalong ka leakage ka revenue leakage ya ka government ti kani manu banong responsible who are to be fixed responsible ngapan po kucing kali tibar ka baar kadai ka kajing ka ni ka allotment order ka ba ka 24/7 ka ba nang yang joki kijat bat menta kini kidang apply ini ki license joki individual bikers no ka ba kini banyak kamai kidon ngatrai aspa laispa kini ru dang sa pending haru menta lajan sistem tukum ki kena ken apsa ita ka kam la sha di kilong desperate ki ngop ka drugs ki kelalong ki form ki militant group manu ban si kajing clear dia no ta nongrim ngawan ni for ban put pressure in government lamba minister in charge ban take immediate action habadai ban stop no kini illegal operator jong ki way part ki aggregator mo ki way part ki company but haju upor badi ban polite no release no immediately yakini ki license ki badi ki allotment order kanang bagi kon samla jingi kelomong desperate bagi ngapan trai ki kam alagi jong ki kijat.
Hello Meghalaya turns 1!
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen. An OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya!